We are at the absolute newest model homes in Kuska Valley in the Jasper community. So new that they just opened these models on Saturday. So stepping in, just a little model. This one is currently modeled as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,765 square foot with a 3-car tandem garage. And the option with this builder, look at this bathroom. I love this neutral palette. Sorry, interrupting the flow here. The grays and the tans, also a little green hue to it, just blending so nicely. So what I was saying about this builder is that 3rd tandem garage bay, if you want, they'll convert that to a bedroom. And then you would have 4 bedrooms. Here's our laundry room. Little counter area. Huge washer dryer. This is where the garage entry would be. Now this is the sales office today. And I'm going to imagine that the door to the other bedroom would be here, because that's where your tandem portion of your garage will be. The kitchen. Now again, this house is only 1,765 square feet. And they're packing all of that into the space. Gorgeous KitchenAid forward controls. White cabinets, these are nice and high. Look how high up they go. French door, double door refrigerator, side by side. I like that the dishwasher and the sink are in the island. It looks out to the living space and the patio. And then instead of a pantry with a single door or a walk-in pantry, because obviously a little smaller footprint of the home, they've created this nice big double door pantry that gives you lots of storage space. 3 bar stools at the counter. I'll say these are standard size bar stools. They're not huge. So if you want to put 4 bar stools, you're going to want a little bit smaller bar stool. I love a nice sliding door that opens easy. Coming out to the backyard. They put a nice section of pavers in here and still plenty of room for a grassy area for the pets or the kids or whatever. And you have views of Glassford Hill, and that's kind of the start of the Renadels. And back there, however, there will be homes all built between here. So those views will change as this community develops. Let's head back inside and check out the rest of the living space on the primary suite. Got a nice dining space, and it's right off the kitchen, which is great. There's really a good flow between the kitchen and the dining space. And then behind that is a really nice cozy living room. It's got great light because we have windows on 2 sides. And this is a huge sectional. This thing's really deep. You have your fireplace, gas fireplace, and some nooks on either side of the fireplace. So an option that some people will do is they'll put built-in shelving, and a lot of the models will show built-in shelving. And then you would have a different configuration for your chairs. Let's head into the primary suite. California king bed, or at least a king bed. Really high bed too. Nice big window there. You can see actually out there, give you a shot of that, all those terraced lots. of where the community is going to be built. But here's our bedroom. Plenty of room for a dresser, the sitting area, a bed. I mean, there's enough room you could even put dressers instead of nightstands. That's probably 5, maybe even 6 foot. Yeah, really. Thinking of a 4x8 sheet of plywood if it would fit. The funny things we measure ourselves to. Okay, so you have a separate room for the toilet. Here is your shower. Nice penny tile floor and a window above. Double vanity. And a big closet. For the footprint of this house, I feel like this closet is very generous. I would see that in 2,000 plus square foot houses. And then here we have more storage, and that's a deep not a pantry. Oh my gosh, it's a very deep linen closet. So I'm sure you can keep a lot more than linens in there. Alrighty. So that's the house. What I love about this home is that you get all of the components that you're going to find in a much larger home, but at a great price point. You still have a nice separate dining area. You have a living room with fireplace with those empty spaces on either side that are great for shelving. You have a gorgeous brand new kitchen with a big pantry space. It's a brand new home. They're actually offering a 2-year warranty here, which is phenomenal. 1,765 square foot, 3-car tandem garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Also configurable with a 2-car garage and 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, if that's an option that you're looking for. Now, in this community, there's something very unique about it for all of Jasper. The J Club membership is optional, and that is the first time I've seen that in all of the Jasper community, to say, no, you don't have to join the J Club if you want to. Now, I think it's a great value, but it's not for everybody. So if that's what's been holding you back about joining the Jasper community, that you don't want to join the J Club, this might be the right community for you. And that's going to be the case just for this builder, just in this section of Jasper. So for this home, the base price is just about $534,000. That being said, this house actually has the contemporary elevation, which is $540,900. Add to that 10 to 20% in upgrades to get all of the finishes that you see here. They don't actually have the finished price yet. If you're interested in that, do let me know. It should be coming up hopefully soon. Like I said, they just opened the models because this actual model home is for sale. So if you're thinking about moving to Prescott in a few years, you could buy this model, lease it back to the builder until the community is completely closed out and they've sold everything, and then they're going to hand over the keys to you. So your tenant would be the builder. It's a great option for somebody that has a 1031 or some other way that they need to invest their money or want to invest their money in real estate so they have certainty, but they're not ready to move to Prescott for a few years. And with new home communities, you will always get the best price when you are the first to buy or you buy a spec home, because as the community builds, prices typically go up over time. Why? Well, part of it is typically the market. The other part is that if you buy late in the community, you have less time that you're actually worrying about being present during all of the construction. And a lot of people don't want to live in a construction zone for 3 years. So the great play is buy the model, get the early on pricing, don't have to live here during the construction, lease it to the builder, construction's about done, that's when you get the possession. It's an awesome opportunity. So if this home is something that you're interested in, or you're just interested in learning more about the Jasper community or new construction here in Prescott Valley, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the link below. I'd be happy to help you out and find the home that's perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching. I am Odessa Kyleman, and this is the Prescott Homeowner. Cheers.